Your affiliate links aren't failing. Your nervous system is. Let's talk about that. Because if you've signed up for affiliate programs, downloaded the welcome emails, maybe even posted a few links, and then quietly stopped, you probably told yourself one of three things. This doesn't work. I'm not good at this. Maybe I need another strategy. But what if the real issue isn't strategy? What if the real issue is fear? Not dramatic fear, not obvious fear, but subtle fear. Fear of judgment, fear of looking salesy, fear of people thinking you're using them, fear of being visible, fear of making money and then not being able to sustain it. What if that's you? Stay with me, because this week is the crossover from fear detox to income expansion. And I need you to understand something foundational. Nothing changes in your income until fear stops driving your decisions. When fear drives your income, here's what happens. You post inconsistently, you apologize when you share links, you over-explain your pricing, you sign up for programs you don't even use, you avoid tracking your numbers because they feel emotional. Fear makes you reactive. Confidence makes you strategic, and strategy is calm. Let's talk about what changes when fear isn't in charge anymore. When fear isn't driving you, you choose affiliates differently. You don't sign up for everything. You choose 3 to 5 aligned programs that actually support your life. You use the product, you believe in it, and then you talk about it naturally. When fear isn't driving, you stop chasing instant results. You understand affiliate income is an asset that grows through repetition, through clarity, through consistency, not through emotional outbursts of motivation. When fear isn't driving, you expect income. And I need to explain what I mean by that. Trying sounds like, I'll post and see what happens. Expecting sounds like, I'm building a system that produces results over time. Trying is emotional. Expecting is structural. Trying checks sales every hour. Expecting builds content pillars and keeps going. Trying posts twice and panics. Expecting tracks for 90 days. That's the difference. Now, let's talk about stacking, because April is all about expansion, and expansion requires foundation. Affiliate income is powerful when it supports your bigger goals. Maybe you're building a course. Maybe you're growing a community. Maybe you want margin in your budget. Affiliate income can pay for your tools, fund your education, create breathing room, reduce pressure on your main offer, but only if it's aligned. So here's how you stack wisely. Stream 1, a core tool you use daily. Stream 2, an educational program that elevated you. Stream 3, a lifestyle alignment product that fits your values. 3 to 5 is enough. More than that is just chaos. Now let's talk systems. Because affiliate marketing only feels passive when it's structured. Otherwise, it's emotional labor. You need content pillars, repurposing habits, simple automation, follow-up sequences. Not complicated, just consistent. And before you tell me you don't have time not to build assets. Because if you rely on showing up live every single day to make money, that's pressure. Affiliate stacking creates margin. Margin creates safety, and safety allows expansion. And expansion is where we're headed. Now, here's the deeper layer. Receiving. If you are incredible at giving, serving, helping, supporting, but uncomfortable receiving, you will unconsciously cap your income. You will underprice, undershare, overgive, underexpect. This is why identity work matters. You cannot out-strategize a nervous system that doesn't feel safe earning, which is why I created the Affiliate Starter and Fearless Selling Bundle, and why the breakthrough code exists. Because you don't just need tactics, you need stability. We need to reset how you see money, how you see selling, how you see worth. Expansion in April is not about adding more chaos. It's about multiplying what's already aligned. So here's your reflection. Are you still trying, or are you building? Are you hoping, or are you expecting? Are you posting emotionally, or are you constructing assets? This week is your bridge. From detox to expansion. From fear to embodiment. From scattered to stacked. And if you're ready to do this properly, join my Skool group, the Empower Collective. Inside, you'll get my free PDF, the Affiliate Starter and Fearless Selling Bundle, which walks you through choosing aligned programs, healing your fear of selling, and creating simple structure. And if you're serious about resetting your mind, money, and momentum in the next 90 days, the breakthrough code is your foundation. Comment below and tell me, are you still trying, or are you ready to expect? And if this helped you shift even one belief, subscribe. Because we're building income differently here. Calm, aligned, stacked, and expanding. I'll see you inside.